Welcome to the backyard. I'm going to be doing an install and a review of this King Bird upgraded greenhouse. Now, I found this after researching for several months. I wanted a small greenhouse in the backyard. I found this one on Amazon. I paid about $200. I used the coupon. Here you can find these on Amazon, or you can go to the Kingbird website. This, I think, was the perfect size for me, 15 by 6.6 by 6.6 feet. I have a small backyard, and I really just wanted to be able to grow some things during the months of February, March, and during the winter. So we're going to unpack this. Everything came in this box. Everything was labeled nicely. I had good directions, and we'll just get started putting this together. We put it together in our garage because it was quite cold this morning, and you just follow the directions. Everything was labeled nicely with numbers, and so we really enjoyed our morning putting it together. And that does take two people. 2 to 3 people is perfect for putting this together. One person would have a hard time doing it by themselves. And you can see Miss Callie is giving us a hand. And please stay tuned to the end of the video, and you can see one of Miss Callie's adventures that she had today. And so basically the tools that you even need to put this together came in the kit. So we got it all together inside the shop, the frame, and then we're going to be taking it outside and putting it in place. Now, I wanted this because I really wanted something to grow my cold weather crops, like my cabbages, bok choy, Swiss chard, all my greens, the leafy lettuces, things that do really well in cold weather, but I wanted to be able to keep insects and animals off of it, so I think this is going to work fine for my little backyard garden. Alright, we've got everything all together. And just a shot of, make sure we had to go back and redo some things. All of the side panels go on the inside of the hoop. We had to fix that, but overall it was very easy to put together. So let's move on out to the backyard garden, and we'll get this set in place. And then you can see how easy it is for us to lift it, but it's still very sturdy. We're going to be positioning it over that pile of dirt. We're going to use that dirt for 2 beds, but we're going to go ahead and put this in place, and then we'll put the cover. Now, everything that you needed for this came in the box. All of the piping, the nuts, the bolts, the cover, tie downs, and it even comes with a nice watering system, and I'll show that later in the video. So we've kind of positioned it where we wanted it to go. It fits good in this little nook. It gets morning sun and late afternoon sun in this spot. And so now we are putting the cover on, and it has a front door and a back door and 6 windows, which is perfect. It is 15 feet long, which I really like that length. And we're just going to pull this tarp all the way over. It's nice and sturdy, and I don't think I'm going to have any issues with it with the wind, the way we were able to secure it into the ground. And also what I like about this is if we were to have a hurricane or a bad storm, we could certainly pop that top right off. So this is why I chose this one. I didn't want to put a ton of money in something that a hurricane could rip up. So I think this is going to be just perfect. Now, directions said to make sure you use bricks or some kind of rock all the way around. We went to Lowe's and picked up these pavers and just bought 24 of them, and so we put some all the way around. I may go back and get more just to really fill in those gaps, but I think it's going to be fun just like it is. All right, so here is the Kingbird polytunnel, and it was really easy to put together. I love the covering, very sturdy and durable. I think it's the perfect size for my little backyard garden. So we'll see. We'll start planting in there in a few weeks, but I'm going to give this Kingbird a thumbs up because it was easy to put together. It's very sturdy with the metal poles, and it is secure to the ground. We did add some blocks around the edge. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, it is all done. We did it in one day. It was really easy to put together. The owner's manual gave good, clear instructions. All of the pipe are labeled by number, and so it was just so simple to put together. It's got nice bolt covers to keep you from, scratching or cutting. It's been up for about 3 hours now, and it is so nice and warm and toasty in here. So I think for my little backyard garden, which is on a small lot in a rural neighborhood, it's perfect. This is perfect for me. I've been looking for a long time, and I think this one is going to work out great. We've got it nice and secured to the ground. We've bought extra brick and put around. You saw in the video how easy it was to put together. So I highly recommend this Kingbird greenhouse. Now, my husband is going to build me two 2.5-foot beds to go down both sides. He's going to go get some lawn timbers tomorrow and put those in. This pile of dirt that's in the middle will be distributed into both of these beds. I am going to grow in here in the next few weeks cabbages, several different kinds of cabbage, my spinach, my chard, my mustard, all the lettuces, and that's what I'm going to grow towards the end of February and March in here. I'm really hoping this helps with those cabbage moths that are so bad and eat my cabbages. So I'm excited about this. And also it comes, this model, and I'll leave a link in the description box. I got it off of Amazon. This model comes with a watering system that hooks in the top. It comes with the tubing and all of the sprinkler heads. I'm not going to put this up now because we still got hard freezes. But probably towards the end of March I'll put it up, and then it will water everything in here. So that's a really nice bonus. So I think for the money that I spent, it's a really good value. I'm going to highly recommend this. I was not paid by them. I'm not sponsoring them. I just wanted a good greenhouse. I'm giving you a really honest review. If you have a small backyard, I think this would be perfect. It's nice and long, and it's very sturdy, and I love it. I'm really excited to start growing it. It's got all these little windows, so when the summertime, I can open both ends and I can open up these windows. So I think it's going to work great for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. I'll be glad to answer them. And thank you for watching. I hope you all have a very blessed and safe day, and stay tuned because I got seeds in there going, and we'll be out here planting soon. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. So while we were putting up the greenhouse, we had to put Miss Callie in the house because she was jumping all over us. And guess what? has locked the door. So now we can't get in. Front door's locked, screen's locked. We don't have any keys. Oh, me, girlfriend. I told you I'd go in. Don't get your... Girl, you're so crazy. Come here. Come here. No, you can't play in that.